let's develop another plugin. This plugin will email us whenever a user rates a recipe. We're going to take advantage of the hook we created earlier to do this. Inside the plugin folder, create a file called email-recipe.php. This will contain our new plugin. I'm not going to bother creating a folder or to try and organize this plugin because it will be very simple. It'll only be a few lines of code. I'm going to paste in some file header information. Pause the video if you need to. Let's call the add_action function and use our custom recipe_rated hook. Previously, we always passed in a string name of the function we want to call. This time, we'll actually pass in an anonymous function. Anonymous functions are special to PHP and not WordPress. They're only available in PHP 5.3 or above. So, I can't recommend that you use anonymous functions in production plugins. Our anonymous function will receive an array about the rating. We want our new plugin to email the author of this recipe about the new rating. Let's get the info about the post by using the get_post function. You pass this function the ID of the post. We can now get to the author email by using the get_the_author_meta function. This function has two parameters. The first is the field we want to grab. This would be user_email. The second parameter is the ID of the author. Our post data will contain a field named post_author, which contains the author ID. Now we can compose the subject and message. The subject will be, "Your recipe has received a new rating." The message will be, "Your recipe," followed by the title of the post, "has received a new rating of," and then we pass in the rating. The last thing we need to do is actually send this as an email. WordPress provides a function called WP_mail. Why use this function instead of PHP's mail function? Well, this action is actually pluggable, meaning other plugins can take advantage of modifying the email and its info. The parameters are the same as the PHP's mail function. The first parameter is the recipient's email. The second and third parameters are the subject and message, respectively. Our plugin is now ready. You should keep in mind that this won't work on most local servers. Sending emails requires SMTP, so you will need to test this on a live site.